Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. People start coming in. So, yes, happy Friday to all my chick babes, Lux babes, and fur babies. And if you're not a chick babe, join the game. Subscribe to my channel and also go to my Shopify store at the chick babes and fur baby boutique dash no dot myshopify.com. And we have some items. We have the chick fur baby t-shirts available, and we'll be having the I'll be reordering more chick babe t-shirts. So y'all check out our site. Okay. Yes. So I want to talk about the Young Thug trial. The Young Thug trial. So that judge, he is so wrong. First of all, he was in the wrong by having a secret meeting. He was very wrong by having a secret meeting. Had he allowed Young Thug's attorney and gave him knowledge of the meeting taking place, he would not have had to ask Young Thug's attorney how did he get the information, because he should have gotten it from the meeting that he was not invited to, which he should have been invited to. Y'all hit the like button and y'all comment. We talking about the Young Thug trial and what I think is going to happen. And not only that, now I was listening to Judge Joe Brown, him and Dana. They have a nice show, and cheers to them, credit to them. Judge Joe Brown said that even if the judge had to have a secret meeting, that he was supposed to bring that secret meeting to the courts and let them know that he had to have a secret meeting, okay, and why he had to have a secret meeting without Young Thug's lawyer being present. He did not do neither. So you know what's going to happen. See, once a case is tainted, it's done. You lost. Because you can't judge someone when you're in the wrong yourself. The judge was absolutely wrong. And see, people think that just because they have on a robe and they got a position that they could break the law and they could do whatever they want, and that's not how the Most High work. Yes, you have the Supreme Court, but there's a courthouse that's above the Supreme Court. There's a judge house. There's a courtroom above this dimension, and it's the Almighty Creator who's the righteous judge. Now you're gonna now see what that judge he didn't expect for Ashley. He did not expect for Ashley Merchant to walk in that courtroom. Okay. And she came to the state's defense and to Young Thug's attorney's defense, because the judge is going to have the nerve to order him in contempt for 20 days. For what? Anyway, if anyone needed to be in contempt, it is the judge, because the judge is the one that did the wrong. Had he not made the wrong first step, it wouldn't be, he wouldn't even have to question. He shouldn't even have to ask Young Thug's attorney, how did he know? Because he should have been at the meeting and heard it firsthand. So see, that judge has put himself in a bad situation, because if he want to do immediate, just like Ashley say, if he want to do something immediate action towards Young Thug's attorney, well, and he gets an appeal, and therefore the judge is going to be a part of that appeal process, because he's going to be a witness, because he is the one that participated in that secret meeting. So now what they're going to have to do is stop that trial and have this immediate appeal hearing, all because of the judge not doing his job properly. And let me tell y'all something. Judges lie and lawyers lie. They will raise their hand to tell the truth and tell a fucking lie. And I know what I'm talking about, because it has happened towards me. But a lie never wins. A lie never wins, y'all. So we are seeing a very corrupt Fulton County system. I used to work for Fulton County years ago. This was when Jackie Barrett, y'all remember her? This was way back when Jackie Barrett, she was the sheriff, and she had got herself in some damn trouble. Yeah. Very corrupt. If you're going to have a law, follow your laws and your procedures, because the law don't work one way, it works both ways. That's what's wrong with this world. But one thing about the Most High, when he put a law in, he don't just tell us to honor it. He honors it himself. He's the example. He don't tell us, the children of Israel, to keep the Sabbath, but he don't. He don't tell us to not follow the he don't tell us to not keep the law, statutes, and commandments, and he don't. What he tells us to do, he does it as well. But when it comes to man, he thinks he can make a law for everybody but his damn self. And that's how come we have the righteous judge, which is the Almighty Elohim of Israel, the Almighty Creator of heaven, earth, the sea, and all that therein is. The Almighty Elohim of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Not the world, but of the Hebrews. And I'm a Hebrew. Yeah. If you are so-called black, so-called color, so-called Negro, and I say so-called because that's what this lying government, the United States government, has labeled us as. But our true identity, we are the 12 tribe of Israel. We are the Hebrews. So this is truly Judgment Day. The whole Fulton County system is just corrupt. First you got Fannie Willis, and now you got this judge. They're going to have to, the Most High is going to throw this case out because it's tainted. It is tainted. You cannot be on both sides of this case. You can't be on both sides of the case. You're going to be on either one side of the fence or the other side of the fence. Seemed like this judge wanted to be on the other side of the fence, wanted to be, well, on the other side of the fence. He's not up there for righteousness. He's not up there for righteousness. He's not. He'll get a bribe, what have you. That's just what'll happen. Now, we're still waiting. I don't know why they're dragging this Fannie Willis disqualification. If Nathan Wade, was taken off, she should have been taken off because she was his superior. He didn't do anything that she didn't say for him to do. So both of them should have been removed. She should have been the first one removed. Much is given, much is required. She's the boss, not him. She gave him that money. She did this, she did that. So the first person that should have been removed was her. And I think we have some incompetent, and the judge in that case, I forgot his name, shit. He was incompetent too. He was trying to lean for her, and that's what he did, was lean for her to keep her on the case. But see, there is what you call board of ethics. And see, I'm a licensed clinical social worker. And those of us that's in these medical professions and law professions, we take oaths. We take oaths. And we have to follow the code of ethics. Violating the code of ethics will get your license taken. Telling lies, that's violating the code of ethics. Doing something that you know you don't have any right to be doing towards your colleague or the person they represented, that's breaking the code of ethics. And all of that warrants a person to lose their license. And Young Thug's lawyer was right. He did not have to tell that judge nothing. He did not have to tell that judge how he found out anything. Who told you that? What kind of shit is that? That's not ethical. It's not professional. It is not. Because see, that goes to he say, she say. If he wants, see, he was in the wrong from the beginning by holding a private meeting, point blank, period. He was in the wrong for doing it. Had he done right, and they're going to pull his ass off the bench because he broke the code of ethics. Had he done right, had that attorney in, then he wouldn't have to ask him how he found out because he would have been right there listening like he has the right to be. Okay? And also, according to Judge Joe Brown said even if he did need to do a private meeting, he still lawfully had to bring it to the court that he held a private meeting and had to tell the courts why he had to have a private meeting and why the other parties wasn't supposed to be there. But he didn't do neither. So that damn judge is in a world of trouble. He's going to get his ass thrown off the case. It's all tainted. See, once you have tainted something, it's no good. It is no good. You playing a game, you cheat, damn it, you done lost. Now, by him doing something knowing that it was not legal for him to do, how the hell can you trust his judgment? You cannot. You cannot trust his judgment at all. Nor can you trust Fannie Willis' judgment. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in to this live. Y'all have a happy Friday. I'm going to step in Spectrum. I just upgraded my services to the Unlimited Plus, where you get to do the anytime upgrade. And I need that, y'all, because I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But I only have 128 gigabytes, and you all know that is nothing I need at least 512. So I'm going to at least upgrade to the 15 Pro Max and get the 512 gigabytes. That's what I am going to do. I definitely need that. I'm going to do that like right now, ASAP. I know the 16 is coming out soon, but no, I'm going to go ahead and get the 15 Pro Max and get the 512 gigabytes that I need, because that's the main thing. It's the gigabytes that I need. That's the only reason I'm going to get another phone, because I need more gigabytes. Because I get tired of having to get rid of my apps when I'm trying to record. That gets frustrating. Okay. So thank y'all for tuning in. Happy Friday.